Hello everyone, hi from US Positioning India. This is the Aero 100 device. We are doing a survey here in Pune. This is the Aero 100 mounted on the pole. This is the point which has been taken prior by a DGPS on a base rover setup. So we are cross checking it with our Aero 100. This is the setup. This is the Aero 100. This is the connecting cable which connects the antenna to the device, and we have connected our controller to the device via Bluetooth. So this application what you see here is Mapit. So you have already connected. You can see the accuracy which we are getting. So we have taken this point. The point ID is PTC 142. So today we'll show you the accuracy of the Aero 100. We'll be taking 2 points. This is PTC 142 and we'll be taking one more point. We'll walk towards another point now. We have a beautiful weather out here. It's raining as well. So as you can see, this is another point.
No, this is not another point. Another point is that one. So the mobile application shows you where the point is.
So we place it on this point. And we're taking the second point. We are naming it as PTC 143.
Correct. Taken.
Now what we'll do, we'll navigate to the first point and check what is the accuracy of the first point we are getting. In survey language, we will call it stakeout. In local language,
we call it
navigation. We are navigating to the first point now. You can see it is showing us to walk around 37 meters.
And the red line is basically showing us where the point is and what the path you are taking basically in the Euclidean distance.
So we have kept our pole on the first point again.
Now if you see the accuracy, distance.
You can see the accuracy here, distance. It is asking us to navigate again till 40 centimeters. This is the accuracy of the device.
Less than 50 centimeters, sub-meter accuracy.
So we're getting 40 centimeter accuracy without any GSM help, without any GPRS. This is a real-time accuracy from Aero 100.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.